What up, guys? Welcome to Defensive Tech. I'm back again with this ChatGPT stuff. If you can see, did a lot of videos on this. Just check my YouTube channel, go to my playlist, you see ChatGPT. Just go through them. I make a lot of videos on stuff like it. Today I'm showing you guys how to make an email marketing, to write the email marketing email that you will send to your client. If you do this, if you are an email marketer, you can use this to write for your client. If you personally own a business, you can use this to write for yourself. Now look at what I did. Without not wasting more time, I told the AI to write me a marketing email to a potential client. About my online food delivery business. So you can see, just wait and watch. So you can do this for your businesses. If you have not liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I'll be making a lot of videos on ChatGPT, how to use them to do a lot of stuffs. I think my next video should be how to do your assignment as a student. You can use it to do your research work. You can use it to write a CV. You can use it to plan your flight. You can use it to do many things. You can even use it to trade online. You can use it to write a bot. You can use it to do literally just imagine anything you want to do online. Forget about using Google to search or whatever. It's just so precise. So let's go to the email now. Say, dear valued potential customer, you put the name of your clients there. Your complaint, the name of your complaint. Let's say the Venzi delivery system. We are excited to introduce you to our online food delivery service. Our goal is to make it easy and convenient for you to enjoy your meals. Enjoy your favorite meal from the comfort of your home, of our home and offices, with just a few clicks on our users-friendly website, a mobile app. Maybe let's assume you have a mobile app. You can browse through the wide selections of restaurants and menus, place your order and have a delivery straight up to you, whatever. Oh my God, like seriously? We offer you more than just fast and reliable delivery. We also prioritize the safety and health of our customers, which is why we have implemented strict sanitized and synergy protocol for all our staffs and delivery partners. So you can see this. No, seriously, like I love this. I love this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to make a lot of videos on how to use it to do a lot of stuff. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.